Okay, so if you missed it yesterday, I did a quick video reminding everybody that Monday was our focus on key resources. The key resource in that particular case was water. We did that graphing exercise about how the water in the reservoir went away, and we talked about how that was a key resource for that area and how water could actually be a good thing and a bad thing. We talked about flooding, we talked about how the water went away, and we started to work on our graphing skills. Yesterday we were in the library, digital citizenship. Some classes did well, some classes not as well. That's okay, we're going to move on from that. Today we are taking a look at a couple of things. We do need to write some thank you notes for our activity from last Thursday when AbbVie came in. So we're going to work on those thank you notes as our intro activity today. That'll be our bell ringer. And then for our objectives for today, I can explain how a predator population can affect the prey population of an environment, and I can understand the producers of the primary prey in an environment. We're going to be taking a look specifically at the national park system, looking at Yellowstone National Park. We will be taking a field trip today out to Yellowstone. Mr. Neil Williams Sr. tells me it is very exciting. He has actually been there in person. So looking forward to that field trip today and learning about some of the water resources there and how the water actually changed based on biotic factors. Water, of course, is an abiotic factor. We're going to learn how some biotic factors had an effect on the abiotic factors. Pretty interesting little scenario. You may have seen it before. It kind of made the rounds on social media about a year and a half ago, maybe only a year ago. So you may have seen it. But definitely something we're going to be taking a look at, and it's going to be applicable as we're getting more towards Friday's slow for the midterm. Skills that we are learning this week are definitely skills that are going to be on that test. If you didn't do so well on the quiz from last Friday, those skills will be retested this Friday on the midterm slow, and so that score could actually go in to improve your score from this past Friday. If you didn't do so well on the formative portion at the very end, explaining our experiment that's going on in the windowsill and in the closet, then that's a part that you can actually do corrections on, but that has to be on your own time. We don't have time to do that in class because of everything else that's going on. So to start off with, we're going to be doing those thank you notes for our group from AbbVie that did our activity during 5th period and core this past Thursday. So let's get to it.